Hi guys, it's Bryn from the vac shop in Brighouse, and I just wanted to do a quick video on what you get when you buy a refurbished Dyson v10 from us. So I've got a red one here, so I'm going to show you this. So this would be the unit itself. These have been fully refurbished, fully stripped and cleaned inside out by an independent engineer. Each machine comes with a used but genuine battery, fully tested. So that's basically the machine itself. You then get a wand handle. These will match the colour of the cyclone, so in this case red. You get the floor head, which is perfect for hard floor and carpets. The tool adapter that simply goes on the wand handle. And then you get a brand new crevice tool to go with that, and that just slots in the top. Really handy little thing. A brand new washable filter. And most importantly of all, a brand new charger. These have got 150 air watts. The runtime is typically between 8 and 60 minutes. The capacity of the dirt that it can collect in its cyclone, you're looking at about 0.76 litres. And the gross weight of the machine is about 2.9 kilograms. Really ideal machine for small or big houses. Obviously you don't do everything all at once. But yeah, if you want to find anything else more about them, by all means give us a call, 01484 937 455, or pop into store. Thank you.